How are you?
This sentence is used as a common greeting in daily conversation. How are you asks about someone's health, mood, or condition. I am fine is a polite and positive response.
What is your name?
This conversation is used when meeting someone new. What is your name asks for identity. My name is a standard self-introduction.
Where are you from?
This asks about a person's country or hometown. It is commonly used during introductions. It helps people know someone's background.
How old are you?
This sentence is used to ask someone's age. How old are you is a very common question. The answer tells age clearly.
What do you do?
This question asks about someone's profession or career. It is useful in both formal and casual conversations. It helps others understand occupation.
Are you busy right now?
This asks if someone is available. Busy means occupied with work. Free means available with no tasks.
Can you help me?
This is used when asking for help. It is a polite request. The response shows willingness to help.
Where do you live?
This asks about someone's place of residence. It is common in introductions. The answer tells where someone lives.
Do you speak English?
This asks about language ability. It is useful while traveling or meeting new people. The answer confirms speaking skill.
What time is it?
This question asks for current time. It is useful in daily life. The answer gives exact time.
Are you hungry?
This asks about hunger. Hungry means wanting food. It is common before eating.
What do you want to eat?
This asks about food choice. It is useful when ordering meals. The answer shows preference.
Do you like coffee?
This asks about likes and dislikes. It is common in conversations. The answer shows personal choice.
What is your favorite color?
This asks about favorite things. Favorite means most liked. People use it in friendly talks.
Do you have siblings?
This asks about family members. Siblings means brothers or sisters. The answer gives family information.
Are you married?
This asks relationship status. Single means not married, used in personal conversations.
What are you doing?
This asks about current activity. It is used in daily life. The answer explains what someone is doing.
Where are you going?
This asks about destination. It is used in daily communication. The answer tells where someone is going.
Did you sleep well?
This asks about daily experience. It is used in evening conversation. The answer shares how the day was.
Can I sit here?
This asks permission to sit. It is a polite request. The response allows seating. This asks about ownership.
What is this?
It confirms if something belongs to someone. The answer shows possession. This asks about hobbies. Hobbies are activities done for enjoyment. The answer shows interest.
Is this your bag?
This asks to identify something. It is used for objects. The answer names the item.
What is your hobby?
This asks about sports activity. It is common in casual talk. The answer shows physical activity.
Do you play sports?
This asks about tiredness. Tired means low energy. The answer shows need for rest.
Are you tired?
This asks permission for future contact. It is used in phone conversations. The response agrees politely.
Can I call you later?
This asks about favorite movies. It is used in entertainment talk. The answer shows preference.
What is your favorite movie?
This asks about music interest. Music is a common hobby. The answer shows liking.
Do you like music?
This asks about driving ability. It is used in travel situations. The answer confirms skill.
Can you drive?
This asks about car ownership. It is common in daily talk. The answer confirms possession.
Do you have a car?
This asks for directions. It is useful while traveling. The answer gives location.
Where is the bathroom?
This asks about weather. It is common small talk. The answer describes conditions.
What is the weather like today?
This asks if it is raining. It checks weather situation. The answer confirms condition.
Is it raining outside?
This offers help or support. It is a polite sentence. The response accepts or declines.
Do you need anything?
This asks if someone is ready. It is used before starting something. The answer shows readiness.
Are you ready?
This checks hearing ability. It is used in calls or meetings. The answer confirms clarity.
Can you hear me?
This asks about studies. It is common among students. The answer shows subject.
What do you study?
This asks about homework. It is used in school life. The answer shows workload.
Do you have homework?
This asks about food eaten. It is used in daily conversation. The answer shares meal.
What did you eat?
This asks to borrow something. It is a polite request. The response allows sharing.
Can I borrow your pen?
This checks understanding. It is used in learning situations. The answer confirms clarity.
Do you understand?
This asks for repetition. It is used when not heard clearly. The response repeats information.
Can you repeat that?
This asks about an event. It is used when something happens. The answer gives explanation.
What happened?
This checks well-being. It is a caring question. The answer shows condition.
Are you okay?
This checks task completion. It is used in work or study. The answer confirms finishing.
Have you finished?
This asks about future plans. It is used in casual talk. The answer shares intention.
What are your plans?
This asks to meet tomorrow. It is used for planning. The answer agrees.
Can we meet tomorrow?
This asks about day name. It is used in basic conversation. The answer gives day.
What day is today?
This asks about month. It is used in date conversation. The answer gives month.
What month is this?
This asks about dream job. It is used for career goals. The answer shows ambition.
What is your dream job?
This asks about exercise. It is used for health habits. The answer shows routine.
Do you exercise regularly?
This asks about happiness. It is used for emotions. The answer shows mood.
Are you happy?
This asks reason for delay. It is used when someone is late. The answer gives reason.
Why are you late?
This asks cooking skill. It is used in daily life. The answer confirms ability.
Can you cook?
This asks what someone can cook. It is used in food talk. The answer gives dish.
What can you cook?
This asks about TV watching. It is used in entertainment talk. The answer shows habit.
Do you watch TV?
This asks favorite show. It is used in media discussion. The answer shows preference.
What is your favorite show?
This asks about cold feeling. It is used for temperature. The answer shows comfort.
Are you cold?
This gives instruction to open something. It is a polite request. The response follows order.
Open the window, please.
This gives instruction to close something. It is a command. The response follows instruction.
Close the door, please.
This asks about reading. It is used in study talk. The answer shows activity.
What are you reading?
This asks about book liking. It is used in hobbies. The answer shows interest.
Do you like books?
This asks sleep time. It is used in routine talk. The answer gives schedule.
What time do you sleep?
This asks wake up habit. It is used in daily routine. The answer shows habit.
Do you wake up early?
This asks about joining. It is used in group activity. The answer agrees or declines.
Are you coming with us?
This asks if someone is known. It is used in introductions. The answer confirms familiarity.
Do you know him?
This checks overall situation. It is used for reassurance. The answer confirms everything is fine.
Is everything okay?
This asks about missing home. It is emotional question. The answer shows feelings.
Do you miss home?
This asks to join. It is used in group settings. The response allows participation.
Can I join you?
This asks about goals. It is used for motivation. The answer shows ambition.
What is your goal?
This asks about nervousness. It is used before events. The answer shows emotion.